Yo, what's up everybody? It's Family Trip here, back with another adventure. And guys, this isn't just another travel vlog, this is about to be an experience. We're talking about Kampong Cham, Cambodia. This province is off the beaten path, a hidden gem, and trust me, it's full of surprises. We're talking about incredible natural beauty. And when I say natural beauty, I'm talking about fresh water. Crystal clear rivers, hidden lakes, waterfalls, swimming holes, you name it. Kampong Cham has got it. This place is a haven for locals and in-the-know visitors. They're swimming, fishing, boating, relaxing, you name it. And the best part? Most of the world has no idea. We're talking secret spots, hidden gems, the kind of places you dream about when you're planning a trip to Southeast Asia. So buckle up because in this video we're diving headfirst into the top 5 freshwater spots that Kampong Cham has to offer. Get ready to be amazed because you're about to see some of the most stunning water you've ever seen in your life. Let's do this. Alright, let's kick things off with the big kahuna, the mighty Mekong River. This ain't just any river, guys, this is the lifeblood of Southeast Asia. Flowing right through the heart of Kampong Cham, the Mekong is more than just a body of water, it's a way of life. We're talking about fishermen casting their nets at sunrise, families bathing on the riverbanks, kids splashing and playing in the shallows. It's a scene that's both timeless and vibrant, full of life and energy. And the sunsets? Don't even get me started on the sunsets over the Mekong. Picture this, the sky exploding in a blaze of orange, pink, and purple, reflecting off the water, creating a scene so breathtaking, you'll swear you're dreaming. But the Mekong isn't just about picturesque views. It's also a playground for adventure. We're talking boat trips, kayaking excursions, even swimming if you're feeling brave. Trust me, there's no better way to experience the raw power and beauty of the Mekong than by getting out on the water. So, whether you're looking for a moment of zen, a taste of local life, or an adrenaline rush, the Mekong River has got you covered. It's a must-visit for anyone coming to Kampong Cham. Next up, we're heading to a place where the river meets paradise, Koh Phen Beach. Now, I know what you're thinking. A beach? On a river? Trust me on this one. Koh Phen is a sand island in the middle of the Mekong, and it's basically Cambodia's best-kept secret. Imagine this, soft white sand, crystal clear water and lush greenery as far as the eye can see. It's like stepping onto a deserted island, but with all the conveniences of civilization just a short boat ride away. Koh Phen is the perfect place to unwind and soak up the sun. Lay back, relax, and let the gentle breeze and the sound of the river lull you into a state of pure bliss. But don't let the tranquility fool you. Koh Phen also has a wild side. We're talking about volleyball games, frisbee tosses, and even the occasional impromptu dance party. It's a place where you can let your hair down, embrace the island vibes, and just be yourself. And the best part? Koh Phen is still relatively unknown to tourists, so you can enjoy the peace and quiet without having to fight for a spot on the sand. It's the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Alright guys, get ready to lace up those hiking boots because we're about to climb Hanche Mountain. This place is a nature lover's paradise, a hidden oasis nestled in the heart of Kampong Cham. Imagine a place where the air is so fresh, it feels like you're breathing in pure life. The trails here are not just paths, they are gateways to a world of natural wonder. We're talking about lush jungle trails, breathtaking views, and an environment that feels untouched by time. Every step you take brings you closer to nature, and the deeper you go, the more you feel the embrace of the wild. And then there are the cascading waterfalls that will take your breath away. Trust me, the hike to the top is worth every step. Each waterfall you encounter is like a hidden gem, sparkling with the promise of adventure and tranquility. As you make your way through the dense forest, you'll notice the rich tapestry of flora and fauna that surrounds you. The trees here are ancient, their roots weaving a story of resilience and growth. You'll be greeted by the sound of exotic birdsong, a symphony of nature that accompanies you on your journey. Each bird call is a reminder of the vibrant life that thrives in this sanctuary, and the rustling of leaves. The air is fresh and clean, filled with the scent of earth and greenery. It's a sensory experience that rejuvenates your spirit, and the scent of wildflowers fills the air. These vibrant blooms add a splash of color to the verdant landscape, making every turn of the trail a visual delight. It's like stepping into another world, a realm where time slows down and the worries of everyday life fade away. Far away from the noise and chaos of city life, here you can truly disconnect and find peace in the simplicity of nature. And then you reach the top. The sense of accomplishment is overwhelming and the view is your reward. The view from the summit is nothing short of spectacular. It's a panorama that stretches as far as the eye can see, a testament to the beauty of our planet. You can see for miles in every direction, each vista more breathtaking than the last, taking in the rolling hills, the winding Mekong River, and the lush green landscape that stretches out before you. It's a view that stays with you long after you've descended the mountain, and the lush green landscape that stretches out before you. The vibrant greens and the flowing river create a scene that feels almost otherworldly. But the real highlight of Han Che Mountain is the waterfalls. These natural wonders are the crown jewels of the mountain, each one more stunning than the last. Crystal clear water cascades down the mountainside, creating a mesmerizing display of nature's power and beauty. Creating a series of refreshing pools perfect for swimming. These pools are like nature's own spa, offering a cool, invigorating dip after a long hike, and cooling off after your hike. It's the perfect way to end your adventure, surrounded by the soothing sounds of flowing water. So, if you're looking for an adventure that will challenge your body and invigorate your soul, a hike up Han Che Mountain is a must-do. It's not just a hike, it's a journey into the heart of nature. A hike up Han Che Mountain is a must-do. It's an experience that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. It's an experience you won't soon forget. So pack your bags, put on your hiking boots, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Let's be real for a second. Sometimes you just need a break from the tourist traps, the crowded attractions, the constant go-go-go of travel. The hustle and bustle can be exhilarating, but it can also be exhausting. You find yourself yearning for a moment of peace, a place where you can just breathe and let go of all the stress. You need a place to just breathe, to relax, to reconnect with nature. A sanctuary where you can hear your own thoughts and feel the gentle embrace of the natural world around you. And that's where Praypros Lake comes in. Nestled in the heart of the Kampong Cham countryside, this lake offers a tranquil escape from the chaos of everyday life. This place is a hidden gem, a serene oasis tucked away in the Kampong Cham countryside. It's not just a lake, it's a retreat, a place where you can find solace and serenity. It's the kind of place where time seems to slow down, where the stresses of everyday life melt away, and you can just be present in the moment. Imagine sitting by the water's edge, feeling the cool breeze on your face and watching the gentle ripples on the lake's surface. Imagine this: a vast lake surrounded by lush greenery, the water sparkling in the sunlight, the air filled with the sound of birdsong. It's a symphony of nature that soothes the soul and rejuvenates the spirit. It's the kind of place that makes you want to take a deep breath and just soak it all in. You feel a sense of calm wash over you as you immerse yourself in the beauty of your surroundings. Praypros Lake is a popular spot for locals who come here to escape the heat, enjoy a picnic lunch, or simply relax by the water's edge. It's a community hub where people gather to unwind and enjoy the simple pleasures of life. It's a place where families come together, friends catch up, and couples steal away for some romantic time alone. The lake provides the perfect backdrop for creating cherished memories with loved ones. And the best part? Praypros Lake is still relatively unknown to tourists, so you can enjoy the peace and quiet without having to fight for a spot on the shore. It's a rare find in today's world, a place where you can truly escape the crowds. It's the perfect place to escape the crowds and reconnect with nature. Whether you're looking for solitude, a place to meditate, or just a quiet spot to read a book, Praypros Lake offers it all. So next time you need a break from the hustle and bustle, remember this hidden gem waiting to welcome you with open arms. Alright guys, we've saved the best for last. Get ready to experience a place so untouched, so pristine, so breathtakingly beautiful, it'll make you question if you've stepped into a postcard. Imagine a place where every corner is a perfect picture, where the air is fresh and the scenery is nothing short of magical. This is true PICH, and it's like stepping back in time. Here, nature has been left to flourish, untouched by the hustle and bustle of modern life. It's a sanctuary where you can truly disconnect from the world and immerse yourself in the beauty of the natural environment. We're talking about a secluded stretch of the Mekong River, a place where the river meanders gently through the landscape, creating a serene and tranquil environment, where the water flows crystal clear, reflecting the sky and the surrounding greenery like a mirror, and the banks are lined with lush vegetation. The greenery is so vibrant and dense it feels like you're in a different world, far removed from the concrete jungles of the city. It's the kind of place where you can still find peace and quiet, where nature reigns supreme, and the stresses of everyday life simply melt away, and the only sounds you'll hear are the gentle lapping of the water and the chirping of birds. It's a symphony of nature that soothes the soul and calms the mind. PICH is a haven for wildlife, a place where animals roam freely and live in harmony with their surroundings. With monkeys swinging through the trees, exotic birds soaring overhead, and the occasional glimpse of other wildlife that call this place home. And fish jumping in the river. The river is teeming with life, a testament to the health and vitality of this untouched ecosystem. It's a nature lover's paradise, a place where you can truly connect with the natural world and appreciate the beauty of unspoiled landscapes. A place where you can truly connect with the natural world. Whether you're an avid hiker, a bird watcher, or simply someone who loves to be surrounded by nature, PICH has something for everyone. Take a boat trip down the river and let the current carry you away to a place of pure tranquility. It's an experience that will leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated, and let the current carry you away to a place of pure tranquility. As you glide along the water, you'll feel a sense of peace that is hard to find anywhere else. Cast a line and try your luck at fishing, with the possibility of catching some of the river's abundant fish species, or simply relax on the riverbank and soak up the stunning scenery. The views are breathtaking, and the atmosphere is so serene, it's the perfect place to unwind. PICH is a reminder that sometimes the most beautiful places are the ones that are the least touched by human hands. It's a testament to the power and beauty of nature when left to its own devices. It's a place to escape, to recharge, and to find solace in the simplicity of the natural world, and to reconnect with the natural world. In PICH, you'll find a sanctuary that offers peace, beauty, and a profound connection to the earth. So there you have it, guys, the top 5 freshwater spots in Kampong Cham, Cambodia. From the mighty Mekong River to the secluded beauty of PICH, this province is a hidden gem just waiting to be explored. If you're looking for an off-the-beaten-path adventure, a chance to experience the real Cambodia, then Kampong Cham is calling your name. Trust me, these freshwater spots are just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to see and do in this incredible province. So what are you waiting for? Book that ticket, pack your bags, and get ready to discover the magic of Kampong Cham for yourself. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more travel adventures, and let me know in the comments which of these spots you're most excited to visit.